Have you ever found yourself wondering about the forgotten characters in your favorite TV shows? Uh, as a dedicated movie reviewer, I often find myself uncovering hidden gems and long forgotten faces. Today, I'm thrilled to share a delightful surprise from Ghost Season 4. The return of a character that hasn't been seen since the Season 3 premiere. Um, Intrigued. Um, let's dive in. And I heard that it was later talking about what sitting as medal of the city lead. And this is important, but it always when it ghosts. Season 4, the episode focuses on Patience, played by Mary Holland, who snatched Isaac Hegan to at the end of season 3. This episode revolves around Isaac grappling with their past issues that led to Patience moving into the Woodstone B&B, among other spirits. Uh, the entire ghostly crew, including Crash, who's been forgotten until now, plays a part in this resolution. Um, Crash, an enigmatic figure reminiscent of one of Lawrence Rickard's characters from Ghost UK, has always been an intriguing presence in the series, possibly. However, the character's American counterpart, despite being an original spirit introduced in season 1 of Ghosts, rarely makes an appearance. The emergence of this ghost in the premiere of season 4 could suggest one of two possibilities. Either Crash will play a significant role in Ghosts season 4, or it was a chance to include the character without developing a full-fledged narrative for them. In the first episode, titled Patience, the series Ghosts reintroduces a character named Crash. This spirit, reminiscent of a 1950s greaser, seems to have met his untimely end when his head was severed, although the circumstances surrounding his death are yet to be fully revealed. And Crash makes his appearance in season 4, episode 1, as the Woodstone spirits join hands, forming a human chain that stretches from the basement to the ground with the intention of saving Patience. During this, Hetty notes that she will grasp Crash's hand because he can't sneeze. And this remark is significant as Isaac had exiled Patience to the dirt centuries ago when she sneezed and let go of her hand. Despite the reasons behind Crash's minimal screen presence, the character of the Headless Greaser is seldom exploited fully. In the first season of Ghosts, Crash loses his head and spends the rest of the season searching for it. In the UK version of Ghosts, Humphrey frequently appears without a head, yet remains an integral part of the storyline. It's disheartening that although Crash's body made an appearance in the Ghost season 4 premiere, his head was missing. While it was enjoyable to see the character, it unfortunately didn't contribute significantly to his narrative development. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.